haven't heard anything. I did say I would let you know. I'll be at work. Oh, really? I'll send you my location.
Denise Ferguson.
I'll call you back later. Should I stay here?
5.
Come.
Baby, you're not there. I'll find you. What one?
Then I get ready for work.
So how you and your boss a work out?
I'm separate with her. Me not in her space and she not in my space.
But can you get back in work though?
Me too. But I know say that I come link me now.
Me hear from Goody.
What? She alright? What she there?
She good. And she not hurt. But she just don't want nobody know what she did.
Why though?
She say look like them a watch her. For find out if she know where Carlton there.
Them? Them who?
The police and him brother.
So because she feel like them a watch her, and that's why she not hiding?
It's a little bit more than that, 5.
What?
We can't really say nothing.
Alright, Bubbles. Keep it to yourself. I don't know where you better come around here for.
Five. That situation is touchy, you know.
The three of we are friends. But you and Goody always have information because 5 chat too much. So I don't know how you come and tell me a piece of story. You not just keep everything to yourself?
They put a note and a bulletin at the baby crib.
What?
Yeah. And she feel like I'm brother responsible for it.
Marcus?
Yeah.
So when brother would I want to hurt you?
Me no know. But would he feel like him involved?
But I believe that.
Why? It's not impossible.
Bubbles. Remember Sir Carlton we are talking about, you know? Him man no saint. We deal with him already. And you see how evil him is. I remember we only talk to him because of Goody.
I know him have him evil ways. But our friend baby father.
Me more loyal to my friend than him. Me feel say him brother want help him. So if I'm me like you, I make him brother know where him there.
Well, me no know where him there.
And I like you that tell me if you did know.
Oh, you defend him, brother, so. You know him?
I don't have to know him. Remember, you know, at the same brother we are talking about, you know, or we see in a court with defend Carlton, you know, for something when they guilty for, you know. So why would I want to hurt him?
Then if you see Carlton as evil, it's not impossible for him brother be the same thing.
That's true. But I don't feel like him go want evil to him own blood.
I come go to the office. I just come make you know say go there alright, because she asked me for make you know.
I know. Because if Goody never tell you yourself, come tell me, you would come.
Yes, 5. I would have come tell you. You're very touchy, you know. Later.
Alright.
By the way, I see you get new shopkeeper.
Yeah. But me go and watch her. Because I see some movements so I not too like.
Yes. She have one little force right something about her. But 5, she look good in the shop though.
Well, as long as she do what she's supposed to do, we'll alright.
So how you and the boo?
Me and the who? Shabby attack. Business partner that man. We alright.
Business partner? Okay, 5. If you say so.
At that me say. That ship there, it see a long time.
Alright then, it's Ferguson.
Some bubbles. You really don't know what Carlton there?
No 5. I really don't know.
Here.